What time is it?
It's 6:30 in the morning
Why are you waking me up so early?
because we have a busy Saturday ahead.
Can I sleep a little longer?
No, it's time to get up now.
What's the first thing I should do?
Go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Do I have to clean my room today?
Yes, it's part of your Saturday chores.
Can I eat breakfast first?
Yes, but get ready quickly.
What's for breakfast?
I'm making pancakes and orange juice.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
Sure, you can set the table
Why is my room so messy?
because you left your toys everywhere.
Should I fold my blanket?
Yes, and also fix your pillow.
Can I listen to music while cleaning?
Yes, but don't make it too loud.
Where should I put my dirty clothes?
Put them in the laundry basket.
What's Dad doing today?
He's washing the car outside.
Can I help him wash the car?
Yes, after you finish your room.
Where's my toothbrush?
It's in the bathroom cabinet.
Can I take a shower now?
Yes, but don't waste water.
What should I wear today?
Wear something comfortable for work.
Is it sunny outside?
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Can we go to the park later?
Maybe if we finish everything early.
What are you cooking for lunch?
I'm planning to make chicken curry.
Can I play games after cleaning?
Yes, but not before.
Who will vacuum the living room?
You will help me with that.
Can I water the plants today?
Yes, please do that after breakfast.
Where is the broom?
It's behind the kitchen door.
Can I feed the cat?
Yes, the cat food is on the shelf.
What time will we eat lunch?
Around 1 o'clock?
Can we watch a movie tonight?
Sure, after all the work is done.
Why do we always clean on Saturdays?
Because it's our family cleaning day.
Can I skip my chores this time?
No, everyone must help.
Where should I put the books?
Arrange them on the shelf neatly.
Can I open the window?
Yes, let some fresh air in.
What should I do with the trash?
Take it outside to the bin.
Can I use the vacuum cleaner?
Yes, but be careful with the cord.
Where's the mop?
It's in the bathroom corner.
Can I take a short break?
Yes, after you finish sweeping.
Is my breakfast ready now?
Almost. Go call your dad.
Can I pour the juice?
Yes, pour it carefully.
Should I wash the dishes?
Yes, you can help me after eating.
Can we bake cookies later?
Yes, if we have enough time.
Where are my socks?
Check under your bed.
Why do I always lose my socks?
Because you don't keep them together.
Can I wear my new shoes today?
Yes, but don't get them dirty.
Is Grandma coming today?
Yes, she'll visit in the afternoon.
Should we clean the guest room?
Yes, make it nice for her.
Can I put flowers in her room?
That's a lovely idea.
Where's the flower vase?
It's on the kitchen shelf.
Can I go buy some snacks?
Not now, we have enough.
What should I do after cleaning my room?
Help me with the living room.
Can I watch cartoons while cleaning?
No, finish first, then you can watch.
Who's knocking on the door?
It's the milkman.
Can I take the milk bottles?
Yes, please bring them inside.
Where should I keep the milk?
Put it in the fridge.
Can I make tea for you?
Yes, that would be nice.
What should I do with these books?
Stack them properly on the table.
Can I sweep the kitchen floor?
Yes, go ahead.
Is the laundry ready?
Not yet, I'll start it soon.
Can I fold the clothes later?
Yes, after they're dry.
Who will dust the shelves?
You and I will do it together.
Can I clean the windows?
Yes, but use a dry cloth.
What's for dinner tonight?
Maybe pasta or fried rice.
Can we invite my friend over?
Only after you finish your chores.
Where's the detergent?
It's on the washing machine.
Can I wash my sneakers?
Yes, but do it outside.
Why is the bathroom so messy?
Because you didn't clean it yesterday.
Can I clean it now?
Yes, start with the sink.
Should I mop the floor too?
Yes, make it shiny.
Can I take a snack break?
Okay, but only for 10 minutes.
What should I eat?
Have some fruit or biscuits?
Can I play in the garden after cleaning?
Yes, that's fine.
Is my bedsheet clean?
No, change it with a fresh one.
Where are the clean sheets?
In the closet drawer.
Can I dust the furniture?
Yes, use the duster on the table.
Who's calling on the phone?
It's your aunt.
Can I talk to her?
Yes, go ahead.
What time will we go shopping?
In the evening, after lunch.
Can I buy a new toy?
Maybe if you behave well.
Who will cook dinner today?
We'll cook together.
Can I cut the vegetables?
Yes, but be careful.
Where's the chopping board?
It's under the counter.
Can I watch TV now?
Not yet. There's work to finish.
What's Dad doing now?
He's fixing the garden fence.
Can I help him?
Yes, take the small tools.
Should I wear gloves?
Yes, to protect your hands.
Can I wash my hands now?
Yes, they're dirty from cleaning.
Where's the soap?
It's next to the sink.
Can I take a nap later?
Yes, after lunch.
What time is lunch ready?
Around 1 o'clock?
Can I serve the salad?
Yes, that would help.
Who's knocking again?
It's the delivery boy.
Can I take the package?
Yes, bring it inside.
What's inside the box?
It's your new school bag.
Can I open it now?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you like it?
Yes, it looks amazing.
Can we rest now?
Yes, everything looks clean.
Can we watch a movie now?
Yes, it's family time.
What movie should we watch?
Let's pick a comedy.
Can I make popcorn?
Sure, that sounds fun.
Should I turn off the lights later?
Yes, before going to bed.
Wasn't this a busy Saturday?
Yes, but we did a great job together.